Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and today I am going to give you some idea about synovial joint. So what are synovial joints? So synovial joints are common type of joints in the body. They are freely movable joints known as also diarthrosis. Now synovial joints are special because they have a joint cavity which allow the free movement. Now the cavity is enclosed by a joint capsule known as articular capsule. Now inside the joint cavity, the two articulating bones do not rub directly against each other, as each articulating surface is covered with smooth layer of cartilage known as hyaline cartilage, which reduces the friction and protecting the bone beneath it. The cartilage on each bone is separate from each other and the gap is filled with synovial fluid. Now synovial membrane lining the inside of the capsule produces synovial fluid. Synovial fluid acts like an oil which lubricates the joint so bones glide easily, and also provide nourishment to the cartilage which has no blood supply. So this is a diagram of synovial joint. Now this is the bone, that is this is the joint head, and this is the socket, that is another bone. This is the articular cartilage, that is the cartilage which covered the articulating surface of each of the bones. This is the joint capsule, this is synovial membrane, and this space is filled with synovial fluid, and this is the capsule portion. This is also articular cartilage, which is basically hyaline cartilage. From the picture we can see that the two bones are separated from each other with the joint filled cavity, with the joint cavity filled with the synovial fluid, which helps in the free movement as well as reducing friction. Now there are different types of synovial joints. There are 6 types. These are ball and socket joint. Example include hip joint, that is the joint between the head of the femur and the hip bone. Planar joint, for example intercarpal joints between wrist bones, the joint between the wrist bones. Pivot joint, example is atlantoaxial joint between the first and second vertebra, that is C1 vertebra known as atlas and C2 vertebra known as axis. Hind joint, example include knee joint. Saddle joint, example is the first carpometacarpal joint. Condyloid joint, example includes the knuckle joint, that is the metacarpophalangeal joints. So this is a brief note regarding the synovial joint, and I will discuss the different types of synovial joint in other videos. And here I am ending my today's video, and if you guys like my videos, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.